Hello everyone, welcome back to Gastromania. Today, I'll be presenting one of my favorite dishes, salted egg prawns. I will be unveiling how to get crispy, crunchy prawns coated in a layer of salted egg, so make sure to stay to the end. If you're new here, welcome and do consider subscribing for more recipes. If you're not, welcome back! Let's get right into our recipe. First, prepare about 400 grams of prawns. Carefully remove the head of the prawn, followed by the shell. Once deshelled, start to devein the prawns. Don't forget to devein the prawns from the front as well. Once the prawns has been deveined, season the prawns with about half a teaspoon of salt. Season with some white pepper powder. Add about 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to absorb the mixture from the prawns. Let the prawns season for about 1 hour. For the aromatics, we have about 5 sprigs of curry leaves, as well as 2 bird-sized chilies. Slice into small pieces. We have only about 2 aromatics, it's really simple. Next, the star of the show, peel 3 salted eggs and extract the egg yolks. Set the egg whites aside. You can mash about 1 to 2 egg whites together with the egg yolks, but do not overdo it as it's quite salty. Set the mashed salted egg yolks aside. When the prawns are ready, crack 1 egg to create the egg wash for the prawn. Dip the prawns into the egg wash and coat it in sweet potato flour. It's advisable to use starchier powders like sweet potato or tapioca flour for more crispy batter. For higher efficiency, just use your hands and dip all the prawns in the egg wash and coat all of them at once. Please make sure you wash your hands though. And with that, let's get cooking! Make sure that the oil is hot at medium heat. Add the prawns and start frying. If you're using a small wok, fry it in 2 batches and do not overcrowd the pan. That will cause the oil temperature to fall too much and lead to uneven frying. The first fry will take about 3 minutes. After the first fry, heat up the oil but this time at higher heat. When the oil is ready, you should be able to smell the oil. And when the oil is hot enough, this is what you should see and hear from the prawns. And since the oil is very hot this time, we need at most 2 minutes until they are ready. One sign you can use is the size of the bubbles. When the size of the bubbles are really small, it means that the moisture content is low and the prawns are crispy. Remove it and do not overcook, otherwise it will turn rubbery. Next, let's prepare the sauce. Melt about 15 grams of butter at low heat. Add the mashed up egg yolks. It's normal for it to form a lot of bubbles. After 2 minutes, add the curry leaves and chili and fry until fragrant. Once fragrant, season the mixture with about 1 teaspoon of white sugar and add the fried prawns into the mixture. Give it a good mix and it's ready to serve. Aromatic, crispy prawns that is absolutely hard to resist. Popular with children and elderly alike. Try it today! We have come to the end of the salted egg yolk prawns episode. If you liked the video, consider subscribing for more recipes. Do follow us on our socials to interact with us and give us suggestions if you have any. And I'll catch you in my next video.